you guys want to check that whether in your PC or laptop Flutter is installed or not, so just in the CMD you have to run as administrator, and then you have to give a command. Here you would select yes, and here you would give a command which is like Flutter doctor, and after running this command you would see it's running and giving all doctor summary. So like we have Flutter channel installed, Windows version 11, and all the requirements. It's actually checking that whether the Flutter is running to produce apps or develop apps. So here only one thing is missing in my case, which is Visual Studio, which is to develop window apps, and I am not gonna install this just because it's for the window apps and I am making mobile cross-platform development. So that's how you can check that Flutter doctor command and checking whether Flutter is installed or not. And if you guys wanna know that how to install the complete Flutter and complete Flutter development, you guys can check out my channel and see all the videos related to Flutter.